More than 40 inches of snow have blanketed the Northeast as an Arctic blast sweeps across the country. The National Weather Service reports that the hardest-hit areas are expected to be south and southeast of Lake Erie before the snow shifts north. Significant winter weather, akin to a force of nature, has descended upon communities across the hinterland Northeast, bringing with it both the enchantment of a snowy panorama and the challenges of treacherous road conditions. Unfortunately, the impact of this meteorological spectacle has been underscored by at least one fatal road accident, a stark reminder of the delicate balance between the beauty and hazards that winter weather can bestow upon our daily lives.
It's nothing that we can do. No. Oh my Lord.
As predicted by meteorologists who diligently decipher the complex dance of weather patterns, more than 40 inches of snow gracefully descended over the past 48 hours across parts of the Great Lakes and the inland Northeast. Nature's artistry was most profound in Constableville, New York, where a mesmerizing 42.7 inches of snow transformed the town into a pristine winter tableau, capturing the imagination of both residents and weather enthusiasts alike. While the lake effect snow warnings have gracefully expired, the ethereal dance of snowfall continues its captivating performance over the Great Lakes. The National Weather Service in Buffalo, ever vigilant, issues a cautionary note warning of reduced visibility during peak travel times. Drivers are advised to tread carefully, navigating the winter landscape with prudence and caution as the cold embrace of winter persists.
Come on, baby.
In the picturesque state of Vermont, tragedy struck as a bus, navigating the snow-laden roads, collided with another vehicle, resulting in the loss of one precious life. The bus driver and a passenger, fortunate to escape with their lives, suffered minor injuries in the collision, a somber reminder of the fragility of life amid the whimsical beauty of winter's icy grip. This morning, dawn breaks with an extra chill in the air, marking the coldest day of the season so far for much of the East Coast, extending its frigid reach as far south as Florida. Frost advisories stand as sentinels, cautioning against the potential damage that sub-freezing temperatures may inflict on sensitive crops. The rural landscape, blanketed in frost, tells a tale of resilience and adaptation amid the wintry embrace. While parts of the Southwest bask in milder conditions, the rest of the nation finds itself in the firm grip of winter's cold, a reality underscored by Weather Channel meteorologist Dominica Davis. Her expert analysis predicts a week where the icy tendrils of cold weather will weave their way across much of the U.S., inviting everyone to bundle up and brace themselves for the unfolding drama of this seasonal meteorological performance.